Concept of coordination. Coordination is the unification, integration, synchronization of the efforts of group members so as to provide unity of action in the pursuit of common goals. It is a hidden force which binds all the other functions of management. Need for coordination. Coordination helps to avoid conflict between individual and organizational goals. It brings about harmony between the two types of goals by making individuals see how their jobs contribute to the common goals of the organization. Coordination avoids all splintering efforts that may destroy the unity of action. Principles of coordination. There are 4 basic principles of coordination as follows. 1. Direct contact coordination. It is best achieved through direct personal contact among the people. To convey ideas, feelings and information, direct communication is the most effective way. Face-to-face meetings and discussions helps to clear doubts and removes misunderstandings. 2. Early start coordination. It can be easily achieved in the early stages of planning and policy making. Integration of efforts becomes easy by the mutual consultation and participation, otherwise it is difficult in the execution of work. 3. Reciprocal relationship. It states that all factors in a given situation are reciprocally related, for example in a group. 4. Continuity coordination. It is a continuous process, it cannot be left to chance, but management strives continuously for maintaining proper balance among different elements. Sound coordination is not firefighting but anticipating in advance the conflicts and preventing their occurrence. Qualities of effective leader. A leader in any organization should have the qualities as follows. 1. He should deal with integrity. 2. Leader should have ability to delegate the work. 3. He should have better communication skills. 4. He should have self-awareness quality. 7. Should have quality of gratitude. 8. Leader should have learning ability. 9. He should be able to influence the team. 10. Leader should have quality of empathy. Leadership styles and applications. The basic styles of leadership, and they are as follows. 1. This style is characterized by leaders making decisions for others and expecting followers to follow instructions. The directive leader is adept at giving instructions, setting expectations, and establishing timelines and performance standards. 2. Coaching leadership is a style that involves recognizing their team members' strengths, weaknesses, and motivations to help each individual improve. It is one of the 4 main styles of leadership that managers employ to motivate employees and achieve success. 3. Supportive leadership involves building trust, inspiration, and helping colleagues overcome the challenges they encounter. Leaders looking to be more supportive of their teams should try to encourage teamwork, pay attention to members' relationships, and also show commitment. 4. A delegating leadership style is a low-task and relationship behavior approach to leadership where a leader empowers an individual to exercise autonomy. Employing this approach entails providing the individual with the big picture, then trusting them to deliver agreed-upon results. Concept and process of control. Control is a primary goal-oriented function of management in an organization. It is a process of comparing the actual performance with the set standards of the company to ensure that activities are performed according to the plans, and if not, then taking corrective action. Techniques and tools of control. They are as follows. 1. Budgetary control. 2. Standard costing. 3. Financial ratio analysis. 4. Internal audit. 5. Break-even analysis. And 6. Statistical control. Control of overall performances. Planning and control are increasingly being treated as an interrelated system. Along with techniques for partial control, control devices have been developed for measuring the overall performance of an enterprise or an integrated division or project within it against total goals.
Thank you for watching our channel. For more updates, please subscribe and share.